In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to star an email in Yahoo Mail. If you're inundated with emails each day, starring them can be a great way to keep track of those that are particularly important or require a follow-up. Starring an email places it in a special category, allowing you to easily find it amidst a sea of other messages. It's a simple but effective tool for managing your inbox efficiently. So without further ado, let's get started. First, navigate to Yahoo Mail and log into your account. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to sign up for one, but I assume most of you watching this already know your way around the basics of Yahoo Mail. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the homepage, which is your main inbox displaying all your emails. Now that you're in your inbox, direct your attention to the email list on your screen. Browse through the list to find the email that you want to prioritize by starring. Scrolling through a long list of emails might seem daunting at first, but you can always use the search feature at the top to quickly locate a specific email by entering the sender's name or a keyword related to the subject line. Once you've found the email you'd like to star, look for the star icon. It's a small symbol that resembles a typical 5-pointed star, and you'll find it positioned next to either the sender's name or the subject line. This visual cue makes it easy to spot when scrolling through your inbox. Go ahead and click on that star icon. It's as simple as a single click, but this action has a significant impact on how you organize your emails. Upon clicking the star, you'll notice that it turns yellow. This visual change is an immediate confirmation that the email is now starred. The yellow star is not just an arbitrary color change, it's your indicator that the email has been marked as important. It creates a distinct visual reminder in your inbox, making it effortless to pick out starred emails at a glance in the future. Starring emails can greatly enhance your email management routine, making important messages prominent and easy to revisit. Remember, if you ever need to remove the star, simply click the icon again, and it will revert to its original state, removing it from the starred category. And that's all there is to it. You've learned how to start an email in Yahoo Mail, a small but mighty step towards better email management. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to click like and subscribe for more tips like these. Happy emailing,